Hi, my name is Neeraj. I'm the founder of Madhawk Games. Today, I want to talk about what game engine you should choose, Unity or Unreal Engine. We use both game engines, but we use Unity for our in-house projects because it supports so many platforms like mobile, PC, VR, AR, WebGL, console, etc. And their platform support is far better than Unreal Engine. Whenever new platform or device comes, mostly Unity supports it. We use the Unreal Engine for client projects when they want Unreal Engine specifically or they want photorealistic visuals. Also, Unreal Engine visual coding is better than Unity. When a client wants quick projects or wants to support different platforms, we use Unity. But after 2019 version, Unity with new render pipeline and image effects, we can get same photorealistic visuals in Unity and frame rate is also good. But in the past, Unity was lacking in visuals and have a lower frame rate. But now you can achieve almost same result in both engines. It will depend how you use the engine, but in my opinion, beginners should choose Unity over Unreal Engine because it is easier to learn and their documentation is also easier to understand. Otherwise, it will depend on you or your client. Both engines can give you whatever results you want. It will depend on how you use it. Both engines are capable. I think you should choose whichever is easier to work with. Above all, stop comparing game engines. Just focus on your creativity and choose whatever you feel easier for you. After 7 years of experience, I think game engines or programming languages don't even matter that much. Just stop thinking and pick whatever tool you like. In the end, please let me know what you think about Unity and Unreal Engine, which is better according to you.